Hello friends, today we will learn about 6th standard basic concepts in geometry. We have seen what is meant by line, point, line segment, plane and rays. Now we will see extra information about points and lines. See, if I put one dot and that dot we call point, and from one point we can draw number of lines. See, I like from one point, if I give that point name as A, from point A we can draw number of lines, infinite number of lines. When we draw 3 or more lines through one point, then that lines are called concurrence lines. Concurrent lines, when from one point we draw 3 or more lines, minimum 3 lines required, 3 or more lines, then that lines are called concurrent lines. See, suppose here I put one point and draw lines as there are 1, 2, 3, 4 L, M, N, O, that are lines. Then these lines are called concurrent lines, and this point, from which point we have drawn 3 or more lines, that point is called point of concurrence. See here, I draw point and from that point we draw 4 lines, and suppose I give that point line as capital B, then point B is called a point of concurrence, and concurrent lines which are line L, line M, line N, line O. These lines are called concurrent lines. Then suppose I put 2 point A and point B. Then I can draw only one line which passing through these 2 points. If from one point we can draw infinite number of lines, but 2 points, from 2 points we can draw only one line. Now we see what is meant by collinear points. Collinear points, which points? 3 or more points which lie on a single line. Minimum 3 or more points which lie on a single line. Suppose point A, B, C, D. There are 4 points, and 4 points lie on a single line. Suppose I give that name of that line is L. Then that points are called collinear points. Minimum 3 points must be required, but minimum 3 or more than 3 points lie on a single line, then that points are called collinear points. And which point which do not lie on that line, that points are called non-collinear points. Suppose here some points are given. Suppose E, F, G, H, I, J. These points don't lie on this single line, then these points are called collinear points. Then now we see parallel lines and intersecting lines. Lines which are lie in a single plane but do not intersect with each other, then that lines are called parallel lines. But lines which intersect each other, then that lines are called intersecting lines. Suppose two lines, L first line and second M. These two lines do not intersect. Intersecting means I like or this one. This is also intersecting line. This is also intersecting. How? If we draw this line, then in a one point they intersect. So which lines lie on a single plane but do not intersect with each other, that lines are called parallel lines, and which are intersecting or meet each other, that lines are called intersecting lines. Okay student, bye bye.